Hi vlog. Today I forgot to wear earrings, hold on. And we're back. I look a little funky right now with my hair situation because I just did my makeup because for no reason. I'm not going anywhere today, but I got new hair curlers from Amazon and I'm so excited to try to use them. So that's what we're gonna do. I have been really obsessed with the whole blowout look and I want to go try and do it by myself. So yeah. Okay, so we're gonna get started. So yesterday I got these in the mail. It's a bunch of rollers. So they come with two sizes, one like jumbo one and one smaller one. Yeah, they also came with hair clips. And I also got these really cute like flat clips, which I feel like is, so yesterday, I don't really know if it is necessary for me to have them, but they look super cute. So I like them. I'm gonna use this roller brush heat thingy from Conair. It's the Infinity Pro. But yeah, I forgot to mention that I literally just colored my hair last night. So yeah, I am kind of vibing with these soft curls though right now. I had it in a low bun and you know what? I actually look really cute like this. So that's the end of the video. See ya. Bye. Just kidding. Okay, so now we're gonna get started. Okay, I have my hair oil. We are going to protect my hair because I have done so much coloring and cannot do further damage. I'm trying to get back to my darker hair and eventually back to my natural hair color. I got a trim, which was life-changing. I was so happy after. Okay, so I'm gonna part my hair. I'm gonna start with the front. And this is kind of the only part that I really pay attention to because I don't have a part really. Like it kind of changes day to day and does whatever it wants. You know what I mean. Anyways, so we're gonna start. You want to do it while it's hot. And these are Velcro, so like you want to kind of make sure that you can brush it down and make sure that the ends are like flat down on here because you don't want them to be like all weird and bent. And I kind of smooth it out as I'm doing it. And I have like these weird like baby hairs, so I just don't include those in because they will literally be out and about. Okay, that's the first roll. Now I'm gonna go get a section directly behind that. Not like these side sections, but like that. See? It's like this section that's like directly behind it. And then with the thingy-majiggy, with this thing, I'm gonna go forward first to lift it, and then I'm gonna go backwards. So like this way, and then this way. This is coming down a little bit, so I think I am going to pin it. So I'm just gonna put it like at the bottom though, because I don't want to have like a crease. I think that's okay. Just like that. Okay, anyways, we're going to grab the next one. See? And I rolled it going backwards that way. Okay, and as always, my camera died on me in the middle of recording, but don't worry, you didn't miss anything. I haven't done anything yet after what you guys just saw. So I'm just gonna continue like grabbing like right behind it. And I'm just gonna do this all over my head. So, yeah. Did I press record? Yeah, I did. Honestly, I like to do the front pieces with the small curlers because they'll be a little bit more defined with the small ones, because if it's with the big one, they're just gonna be like a big, like, soft, one big wave. Also, remember that it's okay if it's not perfect because you're doing like a blowout. It doesn't need to be like all the same. This also kind of takes a while, but that's okay because I don't really style my hair all the time, and usually, like, I feel like when I use this brush on its own, like, the style will kind of stay for like the whole week or something if I really just take care of my hair. But we're gonna see, because I've never used like these rollers like all around my head. So yeah. And again, I leave my baby hairs down because if I curl them upwards, they'll literally just stand up, and that's just not cute for me. It will actually just drive me insane. Oh! Ow! It got stuck on like a strand of my hair. Like, yanked my baby hair. Okay, and then when I get to here, I am going to turn it this way. Like, so you roll it up and then twist it this way. Okay, so I have it all around my head. I am gonna go hit it again with some hot air and then some cold air just to speed up the process. So, okay, so I'm gonna use my Dyson just because it's not as, like, I can control the heat a little bit better, like the air that's blowing. So I'm gonna put like on the highest heat, but like the lowest like power, blow power. Okay, so now since this is cooling down just a little bit more, I just did that just to like kind of speed up the process a little bit more. I am gonna go clean up my house and I'll circle back with you guys in like 30 minutes or something. I think the longer you keep it in, the better. I don't know how much patience I have to keep it in my hair. So maybe like 15 minutes is okay. I feel like that's fine. It's a blowout. It's not supposed to be like perfect curls, you know? It's just supposed to be like very voluminous and stuff. Okay, so I'll be back. I'm gonna use the wave spray. Well, yeah. Okay, it has been like 20 minutes or something. I ate, obviously you can tell because my lipstick is gone. And now I'm gonna just start taking my rollers out. So I'm gonna start with this one right up here behind the front one. Did you guys hear that? That was my stomach. Okay, and for the grand finale, honestly, this front portion of my hair, it's really hit or miss. So yeah. And this is what we have. There definitely is like a lot of volume. I kind of feel like I'm actually from the 70s instead of the 90s right now. Anyways, this is how it looks like. I think that I might get like a set of smaller curlers just so I can get like more defined curls. I like it. What do you think? Should I try to style it a little bit more, like a little better? Because I feel like I'm just like flopping my head around. Because at the same time that I'm speaking, I'm trying to figure out where I want to part my hair. And I just don't know yet. I don't know. Yeah. What do we think? But it gives it some nice like body and volume, and yeah. Huh. I like it. It frames my face really nicely, and yeah. Thumbnail. I feel like Cindy Crawford right now. Hello. So yeah. Also, I think if I like separated the pieces a little bit more, and instead of doing like 2 big ones, I could have done like 3 of them, or maybe pop in one of these, then that might look a little bit better. So yeah, tips I guess for next time. Anyways, bye.